Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Decide which HubSpot revenue path fits your skills and market. Deliver agency services, resell HubSpot seats, or earn referral fees and commissions. Evaluate niches where CRM, marketing automation, and sales enablement produce clear ROI for clients. Aim for lead targets that can afford 500 to 5,000 monthly tech and services budgets. Map offerings to HubSpot hubs: marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operations. Set measurable goals: number of retained clients, average contract value, and projected recurring revenue over 12 months. Design a scalable offer stack combining one-time fixes and recurring retainers: onboarding, migration, custom workflows, training, and monthly optimization. Price transparently: one-time migration fees and retainers starting at $200 per month for ongoing services. Align packages with HubSpot tiers so clients upgrade from starter to professional to enterprise as needs grow. Document scope, deliverables, and KPIs for each tier. Build repeatable processes and templates to reduce delivery time and increase margins across multiple clients. Acquire clients through content marketing, webinars, targeted ads, and high-value case studies that demonstrate ROI. Expect conversion rates around 20% on qualified inbound leads. Leverage the HubSpot partner marketplace and referral programs to source warm opportunities and earn referral fees. Create onboarding funnels that include audits, quick wins, and a 90-day optimization plan to justify retainers. Track lifetime value, LTV, customer acquisition cost, CAC, and churn monthly. Then refine pricing, upsells, and service mix to prioritize high-margin clients and steady recurring revenue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.